What's happened? Is it a seagull or a pigeon?
Pigeon. Seagull.
It's a seagull.
It's not funny, you not record me!
For the sake of the camera, we've identified this cause of the smell and it's a dead seagull under our bed. Pigeon? Is this a pigeon or a seagull?
No, it's like
A pigeon.
What am I gonna do?
I don't know. Have you seen it yet? No.
Yeah.
Oh, shut up, Leslie. Can you get that thing out my face?
Go on, let's go and have a look at it. Hurry up in case it's wiggling with stuff.
Oh. It smells just worse. Oh.
Where is it? Where is it?
There.
It's going this under the bed.
Where?
Under the bed.
I've got something on my Kindle, is it? Where is it?
Under the bed.
Oh, that doesn't narrow it down. Oh, fuck me. What the fuck? That's a seagull! That's a fucking seagull!
Why does the mattress look like that on the back? Oh my god, we live in film!
That's a new mattress. Oh, jeez. No, my God! It's a seagull!
Oh, motherfucker.
I never wanted this fucking cat. Oh, no. Oh.
What are we gonna do?
What are you going to do? It's your
I
cat.
can't do it. I can't do it.
Oh.
I can't do
Yeah,
this.
you were blaming Kieran for the smell all day.
I did not blame Kieran. I said, have you got a tuna bowl under your bed?
No, we just got a dead seabird under ours.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
Should we just seal down the room and never use it again?
I can't do it, Wes. Oh my god, it's down the back of my throat.
Hello.
What is it? A pigeon?
No, it's a seagull.
Oh, a seagull. A real seagull.
Yeah, Pepsi's eating
Big
it.
one.
Pepsi's chewed it up and spat it out under the bed. Don't go in there. What do you need a spade for?
Just scoop it up. I'm not just getting under there and...
Oh, I can smell it again.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's contaminating the entire flat, Gnome. Watch my flat pack.
I can't do this.
Well, you're going to have to. You wanted
Why
your
would you
cat.
even sleep in there with that?
Oh, I would imagine it's today.
Today?
Yeah, seagulls smell like shit. We would have smelled it last night.
Oh, no way.
No, really. It's not decomposing or anything. Well, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, God!
You might pick it up, your fingers go right through its ribcage or something.
How do I get this out?
I'd use your teeth.
I'm actually... I'm being serious. I need to scoop it with something.
Like what?
Spade!
Go and get a spade.
Where do I get a spade from?
I don't know. Good luck. The killer. Here's what? Marnie's bath. Oh, no, that's Marnie's bath. Go and get a spade. Go on, Gnome. Get in there. Before the cat gets to it, then it'll be all over the house. Oh. You won't move the bed.
No, I can't. I can't do this.
You're going to have to.
I can't do it! Because I can't get to it! Wes, I'm being serious. I can't get to it. We need to lift the bed up. Just get that fucking thing out of my face.
Oh, God. Oh, it's fucking god-awful smell. It's unreal. Hey, what if it starts flapping? Oh, jeez. I can't do this. Transfer it to its coffin. Just pick it up. You got it. You got it. There it is. It might fall apart. It's not going to fall apart. Oh, don't touch me. You realise how much disease are in those things?
Fucking get that away from me!
Right, you had it. You had it.
Get that out of my face.
Okay, it's not on.
Don't lie, Wes. Right, another bin bag. An extra bin bag.
Extra bin bag. God. Right, just put them in Marnie's thing.
Woohoo!
He's not moving. No, I've just got nothing but your ass on camera.
Okay. Right, stand up.
Oh man.
Go get another bin bag.
No, that's it. That's it for bin bags.
What?
That's it.
Go get another bin bag.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right again. No, I got you bin bag. No, I got you bin bag, love. Oh dear. Love, it's only a seagull. I'm impressed. He's a tiny cat. Can you stop the comedy vomiting now? It doesn't even sound real. Oh, man. You alright?
Oh, fuck off! Will you?
You'll look back on this and laugh when we're disinfecting the bed later. There we go, we're going again. Go on, love, you've done the worst of it, go on. Ooh. There you go. Go on. You do it, love. That's it. Well done. Now you got to run past Marnie. That one, everything's fine. No, you don't want to see it, Hope. Poor Naomi. Poor Naomi.
Did she pick it up?
Yeah.
Now can we play it?
We're gonna have to disinfect for the next 7 or 8 years. After that, you can. You're right, love. Oh, come on, when do I ever put embarrassing videos on YouTube?
Better not.
I promise I won't.
Don't.
Put on YouTube.
Just got the snot pouring out your nose there.
Put on YouTube.
I think we all know it's going on YouTube.
Now can we play
Tucked underneath your
Let's come through the window. All around the bed, under that bit. That's since we cleared out under the bed. Look.
Where is it?
It's gone.
Let's take that mattress. That's only a year old. Look at it.
I know.
I put this on YouTube so everyone can see how manky we are.
That is disgusting,
Isn't it?
actress. How did that happen?
I don't know. I dread to think. You feel better now? Anything you want to say to your adoring fans?
I don't like this in my bedroom.
No, I'm going out for several hours. Well done, Noam.
Here's my name.
Naomi?
And here's my accessories.
Regardless of what I said, alright, like you are the brave seagull conqueror. Well done.
What are we going to do?
Burn it.
Hoover it all.
Yeah, that'll sort out bacteria.
And then, what, clean everything?
I think I might just leave you.
I don't want... I've had enough of Pepsi. It is a shit.
I wanted a dog, it's your fault.